We're thrilled to welcome you to our office. More than just a workplace, this is where we come together, support one another, and commit to delivering great work for our clients. We look forward to deepening our partnership and working together on many more exciting projects in the year to come.
Whilst I've had many years in the consultancy arena, it's really only with HKA that I've discovered the true power of being able to utilise resources across the world.
祝大家
恭喜发财，
鸿运掌中，
新年快乐！